A is for airplane. Airplane. It zooms through the sky like a giant metal bird late for work. B is for bus. Bus. It rumbles along like a big yellow whale carrying noisy passengers. C is for car. Car. It rooms around like it drank too much gasoline-flavored energy drink. D is for dump truck. Dump truck. It carries dirt like a giant metal kangaroo with pockets full of rocks. E is for excavator. Excavator. It scoops the ground like it's trying to eat giant bowls of soil. F is for fire truck. Fire truck. It speeds off like a superhero with a loud wee ooh battle cry. G is for garbage truck. Garbage truck. It chomps trash like a giant metal monster eating leftovers. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. It spins its blades like it's mixing the sky into a smoothie. I is for ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. It plays music like it's inviting the whole neighborhood to a sugar party. J is for jet. Jet. It blasts forward like it strapped rockets to its wings. K is for cart. Cart. It zips around corners like it's racing in a video game. L is for loader. Loader. It lifts heavy stuff like it's showing off at a gym. M is for motorcycle. Motorcycle. It zooms past like it's trying to outrun its own shadow. N is for navy ship. Navy ship. It sails along like a floating city, taking a slow ocean stroll. O is for off-road Jeep. Off-road. It bounces on bumps like it's playing hopscotch with rocks. P is for police car. Police car. It races around like it's chasing someone who stole its snacks. Q is for quad bike. Quad bike. It rolls over dirt like a tiny beast with 4 angry wheels. R is for rocket. Rocket. It blasts up like it couldn't wait one more second to visit space. S is for scooter. Scooter. It glides around like it's too cool to walk anywhere. T is for tractor. Tractor. It chugs along like a sleepy metal cow working on farms. U is for unicycle. Unicycle. It balances itself like it's showing off circus tricks. V is for van. Van. It cruises around like it's moving an entire house inside. W is for wagon. Wagon. It rolls behind like a tiny car taking a lazy nap. X is for X-ray truck. X-ray truck. It scans stuff like it has superhero see-through powers. Y is for yacht. Yacht. It sails fancy like it's always on vacation, sipping ocean air. Z is for Zipcar. Zipcar. It appears everywhere like a car that